It's a very hot day, and we're delighted you've taken the time to take shelter here at this very important event to figure out how our current carbon-based economy can move towards a more balanced approach to energy supply and use. We're going to drive towards what's unique about Canada's energy system and what opportunities are presented to come to some kind of consensus today. My name is Evan Sullivan. I'm moderating today. Usually at about this time, I'm on air on CBC's Power and Politics, and I was saying to my producer today, yesterday, I said, I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm going to be with a group of, another day of smart people working together to find solutions to really important problems. And he said, you're not going to be in Ottawa. And indeed, I'm not. I'm here. Ottawa doesn't always provide the forum necessary to drive towards solutions. I was reminded the other day I was at an event. The Prime Minister was it's actually at our National Cemetery, and it was quite a solemn event, actually. And a senior minister who shall remain nameless said to me, I was just speaking to the man who runs our National Cemetery in Beechwood, and he said his job is very much like the Prime Minister's. And I said, well, what do you mean? And he said, they both have a lot of people under them, but no one listens to what they have to say. And basically that often happens with a lot of policy in Ottawa. So today we're going to help them out in Ottawa, take some smart people, different stakeholders, and get their views on a very important issue, and frankly an issue that in the current political climate where strategy has trumped policy, we really desperately need fresh ideas to come and drive towards some kind of solution towards our energy system. So tonight we're going to talk about that, and I'll tell you how we're going to do it. But one of the key people who's put this together is Toby Knight, and Toby Heaps, rather, Toby. Corporate Knights and Toby Heaps. And I've known Toby for a while. He founded Corporate Knights in 2002, and it's an independent Canadian media company that's really got an explicit focus on corporate responsibility. And one of the key elements of corporate responsibility, of course, is our energy future. And the mission is to humanize the marketplace, to make the market more efficient. And humanizing it does make it more efficient. It draws in stakeholders. It allows corporations to act as the leaders that they ought to be. And it really puts them in the forefront of the best kind of policy. It publishes the 50 corporate citizens in Canada as part of the Globe and Mail insert, and it's the annual Globe 100 Most Sustainable Corporations in the World. So as the co-founder, president, and editor of Corporate Knights, Toby's got a few words to say about the beginning of this very important series, so sit back, relax, we're going to have a good time tonight. I'll give you the format in a minute, but let's give a big hand for Toby Heaps.